we made it to our house. I called dibs on a very good room. Let me show. So this is my room. There's the door. You walk over here to my own little bathroom. So cute. And then I have my own little balcony. Then walk over here and I have a TV, and then this other balcony with a little hammock. I got the nicest room, period. We're walking to find the pool, and then we're gonna walk and check out the beach. Joey wants to be in the vlog. We found the pool. It's over there, but it is closed for fucking coronavirus. So, off to the beach we go. We have arrived at the beach. I'll show you. It's pretty crowded. Here we are. So I'm an avid coffee drinker, and I didn't drink it today because I didn't want to have to pee during the car ride, and I have a blasting withdrawal headache from coffee, and it sucks, but I'm gonna deal with it, and we're gonna go to the beach. Gotta wear the puka shell, like, have to, not a choice. We rode into the downtown to kind of just explore and see what's here, and I'm vlogging in public, which is very impressive. This literally looks fake. Woo! Good morning. It is Monday morning and we are about to ride and go out to breakfast. So I'll show you that, and let's have a great day. My sister, mom, and I are gonna go on just a little 3-mile run because the grind never stops. Yes, we have a Justin Bieber towel, and yes, we adore him. I just ended my run and I'm dead. We did the 3 miles. My face is still red from my run, but I'm obsessed with this bikini. The ocean's completely flat and it just stays like this. So I'm not that hungry for lunch, so I'm just gonna make a little smoothie. It'll basically be the same recipe that I showed you in my after workout smoothie from my vegan what I eat in a day. We're shopping and I found these cover-ups that I literally love, but they have XXX and large, and I can't fit into any of those, and it's annoying. Your face going up. So my dad and I were kayaking in the Sound, and it was so pretty. I'm gonna insert the clips here. Other than that, we're getting ready for dinner. So there's no full-length mirrors. I'll kind of show you, but I'm wearing this top and then these pants that I think I wore in my first video. Good morning. It's the next morning, and I just wanted to use my little platform to say that boys are more mean to girls than girls are mean to girls. It is now time for school. Today's workout is going to be 10 hill sprints. So there's this hill right leading up to our little community where the house we're renting is. So we're gonna do that 10 times. And yeah, workout is complete. It was not bad at all. It was hot, but not bad. Wearing a one piece, and I don't know how I feel about it. I've literally never worn a one piece before. Let me show. This is what it looks like. I don't really know how to feel. Like, it's cute, but I'm like a little modest. Like, what? I think I'm gonna wear it. dead turtle. Oh my god. We are about to eat dinner soon, but we're going on a little bike ride. I'm out of breath, but we go in on an exploration. Hello, lovely people. So today is Wednesday morning. I'm gonna go into town and get an acai bowl and go into some shops. I'm wearing this little cover up. Oh, you can't see. I was out shopping and I got a really cute cover up. Like, if you're telling me this isn't the cutest cover up you've ever seen. I'm also gonna have to skip sunscreen and literally just put it on my face because I need to go in the ocean. It's hot as oh my god. I'm in love with this cover up. So we're gonna sneak it into our next door neighbors that aren't homes pool, and we don't know them at all, so wish us luck. Yeah.
You're like a girl is here watching your videos.
Oh my god. Ready?
TikTok? What do we do?
No, it's for the vlog. What are we doing? Hello everyone. So it is Thursday morning. We're gonna go jet skiing later, and I just ate copious amounts of duck donuts. So I'm gonna go on a 4-mile run, and then I have to do it quick because we're leaving for the jet skis at 10, and of course you'll be seeing that. My face is pulsing. Can you see? Oh my excuse my pimple, but it is raining today, so our plan is to go see the wild horses. If you didn't know, on the Outer Banks, like, one tip, there's like wild horses, so we're gonna see that, and we're gonna see some lighthouses, which might be a little boring, but you will get to come with me. Hi, oh my god, there's so many bugs out here, but I'm out on my own little balcony, and I just finished my workout. I did 10 sprints, and my legs honestly feel less sore than they did before, but the bikini I'm wearing is, this top is Billabong, and it's from Ocean Hut. These bottoms are hand-me-downs from Aerie, and I think I'm gonna head to the beach even though it's really cloudy. And it's only like 70 degrees, but let's do it. We out here, we're gonna go shopping. It's rainy and it's crappy weather. Yo! We were shopping and we went into this cute store and I got these pants. They're nice and flowy. Valerie got a headband and they're from Thailand. I'm obsessed. We're laying at this hammock store on this hammock, and this is what Cloud 9 or heaven feels like, I swear to God. I'm in hammock number 2. First place that has dairy-free ice cream. Let's go. No, it's a bubble bath. Whoa! So we're going for a fancy dinner tonight because it's our last night. So I thought I would show you some makeup. Eyeshadow, I take Hoola bronzer and I literally put some in my crease just like this. This is all I'm gonna do for eyeshadow. Brows, I'm using the Goof Proof brow pencil and the Gimme Brow brow gel. Brushing up my brows with my finger because I'm ratchet, and then fill that in right there. Make it darker and better, like so. So in my opinion, the key for good lashes is to curl them. It is the key to better mascara. My mascara is God sent, best mascara ever. It's the Arbonne, and it's a long story mascara. I've had this, don't call me disgusting, but I've had this since Christmas 2018, and I'm gonna show you. Here's before, I'll show you how good they look after. This is after, and I know you're thinking to yourself right now, how is this mascara from 2018? But it is. So this is my easy peasy, easy breezy, beautiful 4-step, no foundation, no concealer makeup look. It is nighttime and I'm gonna end this entire vlog here. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe because it says that like most of my viewers aren't subscribed, so make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Love you.